So hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to enable DSLR camera in any Android device. So by the way guys, if you are using any device and you want a DSLR result camera, so all you guys have to do just go to Play Store and here search for HD camera. So all you guys have to do just install this application HD camera 2024 for Android device. Just install this application guys and then click to open. Just allow the permission, and that's it. Now first of all guys, just go to setting to set up all the settings. First of all, go to front size and select it to 1690, back side also set to 1690, and make sure to turn off the watermark. If you're talking about image quality, so it is already set to 100% guys. And if you want to set video quality, so you can set it by this section too. Now let's have a picture. That's it. So as you guys see that I captured two images. This one is on pro mode and this one is on default mode. So you guys can see the result of both images. So I suggest this application for the DSLR result, and you can use this application in your any device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.